State. I am elated to once again address the good people of Osun State and lovers of democracy and rule of law worldwide. After the recent unfortunate incident, which was a result of the illegal forceful takeover of Osun State local government secretariats by the court-sacked APC chairmen and councillors, Osun State is back to normalcy as one of the in the federation. I hereby console the families and friends of those who lost their lives and those who sustained injuries in the illegal takeover of the local government secretariat by the court-sacked APC chairmen and councillors across the state. The unfortunate incident reminds us that abiding by the rule of law remains the best path for a peaceful Osun State. I particularly commend our people for complying with my directives to stay away from local government secretariats. The compliance saved our state from further confrontations and casualties. It has returned the state of the living spring to its peaceful and loving nature. I regret to report to the good people of Osun State that the court-sacked APC chairmen and councillors went back yesterday, Wednesday, 19 February 2025, to forcefully break into the various local government secretariats. I urge and direct everyone in Osun State to stay away from the local government secretariats to avoid any confrontation with them. The rule of law through the judiciary will eventually resolve the matter peacefully. Please let us be patient. Those who claim to have a court judgment that ordered their reinstatement should approach the court for the enforcement of the said order of court instead of resorting to self-help, which is illegal. The Nigerian judiciary has its own enforcement procedure, which everyone must follow. If you have a genuine court order, follow the court enforcement protocols. As a government, we have read through the said judgment. We have submitted it to the best of legal minds for interpretation. There is nowhere a reinstatement order was issued. No matter the manner of misinterpretation, that judgment contains no consequential order nor any reinstatement directives. Most importantly, the judgment in the APP suit, which sacked the APC chairman and councillors, is still subsisting and alive. The appeal by APC against this judgment did not succeed at the Court of Appeal. The APC appeal was dismissed. If the occupying court-sacked APC chairmen and councillors choose to continue on the path of illegal self-help, I assure our people that the best route to resolution is the rule of law through judiciary. I am committed to upholding the rule of law alongside the passionate observance of the Constitution. We will allow the court to determine the correctness or otherwise of their claim. We have confidence in the democratic credentials of President Tinubu, who we know will always insist on the rule of law. I implore our people to continue to sustain the peace that has returned to our dear state. We need peaceful coexistence to expand our good governance delivery of the past 2 years. Our state remains truly peaceful. Finally, I urge all registered voters to vote in the local government election on Saturday, 22nd February 2025, and to conduct themselves peacefully at all times. Once again, I appreciate the law of democracy and the rule of law worldwide. Osun is the hub of democratic ideas, the home of true democrats. I thank you for listening.